In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a rule in Asana. By the end, you'll have an automation rule added to your Asana project that runs a specific action whenever a chosen trigger happens, helping you keep tasks updated automatically. First, open your project. From your Asana workspace, click into the exact project where you want the automation. Make sure you're on the main project view so the project toolbar and options are visible. Next, click Customize in the top right. This opens a panel on the right side of the screen with all the project level settings you can adjust. Now, go to Rules. In the Customize panel, look for the Rules section and click it to open the Rule Builder options for this project. You'll see available templates and a way to create your own rule. Click Add Rule or Create Rule. Now, this opens the Rule Setup window where you'll define what starts the rule and what the rule will do. You should see fields for the trigger, the action, and optional conditions. Choose a trigger. A trigger is the event that starts the rule. Click the trigger area and select the one that fits your workflow, such as when a task is moved to a specific section, when a due date is set, or when a custom field changes. If the trigger needs details, like choosing the exact section or a specific value, select those now. Pick the event you know will happen reliably in this project, so the rule runs only when you expect it to. Choose an action. An action is what Asana should do automatically after the trigger fires. Click the action area and select the outcome you want, such as assigning the task to someone, updating a custom field, changing the task's section, adding a comment, or setting a due date. If the action requires details, fill them in now, like choosing the assignee, the new section, or the exact value for a custom field. You can review the summary to confirm the action reads correctly. Set conditions if you need them. Conditions are optional filters that narrow down when the rule applies. Click to add a condition only if you want the rule to run for certain tasks. For example, tasks with a particular custom field value, tasks created by a specific person, or tasks in a certain section. If you don't add any conditions, the rule will run for every task that meets the trigger. Use conditions to prevent the rule from updating tasks you don't intend to change. Click Save Rule. Look for the Save or Create button in the Rule Setup window and click it to store your settings. If Asana prompts you to name the rule, type a clear, short name that describes what it does, then confirm. This helps you and your teammates recognize the rule later. After saving, you'll return to the rules list for the project. Turn on the rule. In the rules list, find the rule you just created. If the toggle shows off, click it once to turn it on. When it's on, the rule is active immediately and will start watching for the trigger in this project. There's no separate publish step, so once the toggle is on, you're set. At this point, your rule is created, saved, and turned on in Asana. Whenever the trigger occurs and any conditions are met, Asana will automatically perform the action you selected. Your automation is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.